Hey you guys, it's Aliyah. Welcome back to my channel. So on today we have a new tutorial, and this is a bantu knot take down. I believe that's what it's called. And pretty much I just did my hair with some bantu knots and I took it down, and these are the curls. So I'm just gonna give you guys like a walkthrough of how I achieved this hairstyle. So this is my hair the next day after I put these bantu knots in. And so pretty much I'm just gonna unravel them one by one. I have a small rubber band on each one. I kind of wish I would have just put the rubber band around the bantu one time, because when you do it more than once, it's just harder to get it out. So just note that if you're gonna do this style and it's just for the night, you can just do the rubber band one time around and it should hold the hair. So y'all, for the rest of this video, I'm not going to continue with the voiceover because it's basically self-explanatory. But this style is one that I want to do more often, because I notice with natural hairstyles, the more you do them, the better their results. So I just want to tell y'all, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Make sure to thumbs up on my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Okay y'all, so I know I said I wasn't going to do a voiceover for the rest of this video, but I did want to clarify that prior to bantu knotting my hair, I put 2-strand twists in my hair. So I twist my hair first and then put the bantu knots in. So that is just for clarification for this style, and I just wanted to let you guys know, okay?